Jai Sriman Oh Rama, when Mandakarna Mahamuni has done such severe tapasya, while he is doing that, all the devatas started getting scared because they thought that Asmakam Kasyachit Sthanam Yesha Prardhayate Munihi. Maybe this Muni Mandakarna Muni is going to grab one of our portfolios. That is how Devatas started getting worried, and they finally decided that they have to send some Apsarasas, angels, to distract this Mahamuni from his severe tapasya. Finally, they sent Apsarasas. Very naturally, those Apsarasas came down to Mandakarna Muni and captivated him, distracted him, influenced him. And all these Apsarasas ended up becoming wives of that Mandakarna Mahamuni. Rama, this Mandakarna Mahamuni, with his great power of tapasya, he built so many palaces in this water for all those Apsarasas. And also because of his tapas shakti, Mandakarna Mahamuni became so young, and he started enjoying those Apsarasas in these buildings which are there in this lake. Now the sounds that what we are listening is the sounds coming out of ornaments of those Apsarasas. The songs which are coming out is from Apsarasa when they are singing. Those are the sounds we are getting to hear. Like this, Dharmabhruta started explaining about Mandakarna Mahamuni, and Sita Rama Lakshmana, three of them started getting surprised to hear the story of Mandakarna Mahamuni. From there, Rama started getting to see here and there, and finally Rama noticed there are so many ashramas where Kusa, Chira, Parikshiptam, all the Naravastras are there, all the Darbha is there. So finally Sita Rama Lakshmana have gone to those ashramas where all the ashramas are together, and all the munis who were living over there gave a very good warm reception to Sita Rama Lakshmana, and there Sita Rama Lakshmana started living in each and every ashramam for a while. They did not lived in only one ashramam for long time. He did lived aparatra adhikam masat. Ramachandra Swami along with Sitamma and Lakshmana lived in one ashramam for 13 months. Then api ardham adhikam kvachit. In other ashramam he lived for 1 year. In other ashramam 4 months. In different ashramam 5 months. Then 6 months. 7 months in one ashramam. And in other ashramam 5 weeks. In one ashramam 3 weeks. In other ashramam 3 months. In different ashramam 8 months. Like this, in different ashramas for different duration, Sita Rama Lakshmana started living happily, and they could spend Yayuhu Samvatsara Desha. They could spend 10 years of their Aranyavasam in those different ashramas. Sita Rama Lakshmana, three of them spent 10 years in different ashramas of different munis. And again, finally, three of them came back to Sutikshna Mahamuni ashramam. They spent few days in Sutikshna Mahamuni ashramam. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.